camp every summer across the United States. There are some 14,000 day camps and overnight camps to choose from.
This summer, the big question is, can summer camps continue with COVID-19? Here's WGN's Julie Unruh.
The American Camp Association does not regulate camps and will not tell them to operate or not this summer. That decision will be up to camp directors and boards only after they have more direction from the CDC and state and local health boards. But the ACA can provide resources to help camps decide what they should look like if they are allowed to open.
Summer, heat, water and fun. Typically, they go hand in hand with summer camp for kids, at least the summer of our pasts. What will the summer of 2020 look like with the effects of COVID-19 still potentially at play? We asked the president of the American Camp Association, Tom Rosenberg.
There's no doubt that not every camp will operate this summer, that we know.
And those that do, what can parents and their campers expect after families have been ordered to stay home, sheltered in place for months?
More than likely, and I'm not a public health expert, there'll be things like smaller program cohorts and lots of rules about distancing at different points during the day. Also, testing is going to play heavily into the camps, overnight camps in particular. Testing will be a key consideration. Screening and monitoring every single day at day camp or any other kind of youth program will be really important. If they're able to have camp this summer, it might have to be a delayed start. They might have to have shorter sessions. I anticipate, there'll be smaller group sizes. There won't be contact sports. There'll be lots of precautions to take in between activities.
Today, Governor Pritzker addressed the camps question too. He says to operate them is not his call, but whatever happens, the COVID threat this summer will still involve social distancing on some level.
COVID is still out there. It's still going to infect people, and so we're still going to need social distancing even if we don't have a stay-at-home rule. You would still need social distancing. You would still need people wearing masks. You would still need, a lot of the things that might make it difficult to, for a summer camp to operate, but that doesn't mean the summer camp can't figure it out.
Being together is the core of camps, kids taking risks and discovering who they are in a trusted place among their peers. That's what it's all about, social and emotional growth. But this summer, aspects of camp may have to wait, as camps all across the country put the physical safety of children first. Still, after being locked up this summer for months on end, Rosenberg knows this.
This pandemic has really highlighted the need for camp for every boy and girl in this country.
Now more than ever. The American Camp Association right now is calling together a panel of experts in pediatric medicine, camp medicine, nursing, epidemiology, infectious disease, and so much more. Just some of the educational resources for camps from coast to coast. Meanwhile, camps everywhere holding their breath to see what the CDC will say about camps this summer. Julie Unruh, WGN News.